Looking for a way to turn your backyard into a summer oasis? Say hello to the delightful Wylela Fiberglass Pool. A fusion of fun and class, Wylela is much more than a regular pool. Its timeless rectangular design will blend effortlessly into your outdoor landscape, offering not only style but an entire universe of possibilities. Dive into the 6'2" deep end for some exhilarating lap swimming or a relaxed raft floating. Feeling more leisurely? Dip your toes into the inviting shallow end, complete with full-width entry steps for a graceful, easy entrance. With options to add stunning features like deck jets, waterfalls, water spouts, and mesmerizing LED lighting, your Wylela Fiberglass Pool can transform into an enchanted lagoon or a high-end resort pool in no time. Are you a homeowner with a flair for design? Wylela's classical structure provides the perfect canvas to express your creativity. Paint your summer fun with our Wylela Fiberglass Pool. Your staycation just got a whole lot brighter. Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.